What are you doing? Oh. Hello. Aloha iko ohana. Welcome to Saturday afternoon. Baby is currently down for a nap and I totally blanked. I said it in my stories today. I totally blanked about the week wind down, which was Friday last night. So I figured I owe you guys another video and make it like a Saturday afternoon day of my life. We have a lot to do in this house and a lot of things have just gotten out of hand, piling things in different rooms. We got 5 rooms and there are things in every room, obviously one for our own bedroom. But we're gonna go through some stuff and maybe get in some yard work. So I figured I'd take you guys along. Hope you guys stick around. This is what I'm tackling right now. Our clothes from her clothes. And put it in that white basket. This is dirty, this is dirty, this is trash. This is clothes that I just had in this drawer here. And this was literally what it looked like. So I need to go through it, get rid of stuff. Got dirty clothes in here, got clothes I've never even worn. We are also in the closet trying to organize stuff too. I'm also switching out some of the things on her hangers that are too small for her, and even the new clothes that I bought from her from H&M and started hanging those things up too. A lot of we let it get out of hand, we let it get out of control, and today's the day. And I kind of stretched her wait time for this, you know, so that maybe not the smartest thing, and I don't do it all the time, to keep her awake longer so that she maybe naps longer. I don't know. We'll see how successful that is. She's been sleeping for almost an hour, so we'll see how that goes. New hair. Who's this? Now it's going through the clothes that are being hung, like her bathing suits. Doesn't need to be hung. So we're gonna take these off. Some of these pieces she's not even big enough yet. I'm gonna have some of them hung, but like not all of these bathing suits need to be hung up. I just didn't have time to get to them, so I hung them. Isn't this cute? This little romper thing. Oh, 6 to 9 months. Okay. I just give that to Connie to fold. Connie's folding the clothes that are in the drawers, and her bassinet is full of the clothes that I ordered from H&M that I didn't even get to yet. So all of those pieces I'm gonna hang too. Stuff is big for her, but I don't feel like I have to hang it, you know? Oh, did she outgrow this already? 6 to 9 months, her gloomy clothes. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is 3 to 6 already. Dang it. Go Old Navy. My little baby's growing up. This is cute. I can't wait to put her in this. This is 18 months. This is from the Neutral Babe on Instagram. Love that. And I gotta take all of this stuff off. Okay, I'll get to that in a second. It's kind of sad because I order up. I don't usually like to order, you know, the size that she's in now because I'm thinking of, you know, further down. But a lot of the clothes, depending on how they size, she has to be in the age, you know, that she's in the size clothes. If I were to get this in like 12 months and she's only 9 months, some of the brands she can fit into if it's 12 months or if it's, you know, a couple months further. But for H&M, like a lot of the clothes that I bought from them, they are true to size. She's in like a tank top that's 12 to 18, or is it just 12 months, size 12 months, and she's 9. It's loose on her. I'm gonna put her in this. I don't even have shoes for her. That's the thing. I have these cute outfits, but she has no cute shoes. Like she's gonna be in this barefoot. Save myself. That's cute though, huh? This is 12 months. Cute. Love that. 1 year old. So all of her new pieces are up in the hangers. Hallelujah. Her drawers are emptied out of the small clothes and organized. Whatever this is it, okay? All right, switching to iPhone footage. I was pulling the bassinet into this room here, but this is the potential room that I want Havila in, wide view angle. And it is the room 2 doors down from ours. So ours is there, to the right is my filming room, bathroom, and then her room. This is obviously, there's nothing in here. Honestly, money is tight right now. When you have a mortgage to pay and bills and other stuff off of one income, honey, it's rough, okay? But this room is eventually gonna be hers. So aside from her clothes, diapers and stuff, that's still in our side of the room, in our room, because that's where we change her and that's, you know, we bathe her and stuff like that in there. I would like for her to be in here already, but there's just a lot of stuff to be done in this room before she can even get in here. A lot of the things that we have to do in here, we have to do in our own room too. You know, a work in progress, but I did bring like hangers and then start bringing in some of her baby stuff that we kind of had laying around all over the place. This is a rocker that my older sister gave us from her babies, and then her bassinet and her baby carrier. You know, I'm not gonna bring in her clothes right now because we're still, like I said, in my room. That's where she bathes and all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look of where I was bringing that bassinet. Close this, she's still sleeping. And then the other room that we were in is another bedroom. I should have taken a before of what this room looked like because, girl, it was rough. This is not my piano. This piano belongs to the Lizamas, used for ministry, but because we plan on having worship nights here, he just decided to leave it here, and I'm thankful for that because it gives me opportunity to, you know, play too, because I love playing the piano. I know about 3 chords, so that's all I want to say about that. Dirty clothes that need to be washed, but we can't wash it right now because we don't have a washer and a dryer. Again, money is tight. My husband's beloved grandma loves to gift us things, and this is just stuff that she's gifted us. Those are ornaments from Christmas that her store, she works at Neiman Marcus, so she gave us the ornaments. Containers with her baby stuff. That is a Christmas tree, what do you call that? Instead of the blanket, you use like a basket, Christmas tree basket. And then this side, Havila's clothes, and then my husband's clothes that he will never wear, but for some reason, he just wants to keep them. That's all I'm gonna say about that, okay? Wrapping paper and all that kind of stuff, so yeah. This is the view from the corner. The rail literally on the road, so if you ever pass by, hello. The Croc Center is there, whatever those houses are. And then you come out and then the stairs go down, and then the hallway to our room, bathroom, baby's room, and then my filming room over there. I don't know what I want to do with this clothes. These are clothes that I want to get rid of, that I don't want to wear. This is so sad because I actually love how this fits on me. The strap on this thing ripped off. How crappy is that? I didn't take it back in time to get it exchanged, so I don't know what to do. Maybe my mom can sew it back on. I don't know. I'm keeping this in the basket on her gray cart for dinner time, lunchtime if she needs. This is like a lot. I probably don't need this much. Got a bunch of dirty ones here that need to be washed. That's been sitting in the basket for way too long. And then this is a swaddle and blanket that I'm gonna put in her baby bag. I'm actually gonna put all of this in her baby bag. Her Sony baby carrier and the blanket and the swaddle too. And I like this one for when we go to the store, like a quick run to the store, and I don't want to put her in a car seat. All right, it's pretty sad that I have to do this, but I'm taping this OXO baby wipe, portable baby wipe carrier thing. It's ridiculous, but this part here doesn't close properly all the way. It'll open back up again, which will eventually result in dry wipes, and we don't want that. To lap up all that, I am going to tape it for now until I can find some other solution. Because I'm gonna have to eventually open it back up again to fill it again. Okay. All right. Boom. Say hello. Look at you. Back carrying now. My first time doing it. She looks pretty comfortable. It looks good. Headrest is on. Very good. Very good. So I'm gonna go and sanitize the Brezza now. Now unplug the machine, remove the water tank and empty it. Let the machine sit for 4 hours. And I leave all the way to the top. With the sense of purpose. this drawer that has been way too messy for way too long. So let's see what we can come up with here. Leftovers. So it is 10 to 7 and I'm warming up some dinner, leftover dinner. And that's basically it. Then we'll take a shower, chill, maybe watch a movie. And I'm waiting for Connie to come home because he's at a friend's house working out. So we'll see what time he comes home. I tried to feed baby some chicken and poi, but she only ate a little bit. And I might go and bathe her soon too, so. Look at this chicken. Look at this chickie. Watch your head, you bring it. I also have to put the clear protection things there and there. Don't I? Huh? Don't I? Don't I? Come on, let's get out of here. So this is the old Brezza. I think I'm just gonna put it in the box that the new one came in and be done with it. And this, I don't know what to do with it. I'll decide later. Yummy. Aloha. Baby girl. No. Aloha. Did I show you the final dinner? Nothing too fancy, but better than what it was before. Okay, totally forgot about y'all, but look what hubby brought home for dinner. Crazy kids. Oh, this is so good. I'll probably not edit this vlog tonight because I just want to spend time with my family, spend time with my husband, just relax. So that's what we're gonna do. Good. Komotomo bottles are the best. What are we doing? I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Sorry, it's kind of all over the place. We're having a late night snack, which is very weird because we have to be up very early in the morning for 8 a.m. service, but we'll make it prayerfully. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed spending Saturday with me. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, comment, subscribe, and oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing?